For the first time, Americans can receive their child tax credit payments early this year.
But there are still a few things families need to know before the first round of payments go out. So joining us once again is accounting instructor Scott Gummany. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
All right, Scott, let's start with this question. How do we claim it on taxes?
Yeah, so really if you filed your 2020 tax return and you're eligible for the credit, you've already claimed it. So the IRS will automatically issue you the advance payment, which is half the credit between now and December, and then you claim the other half of the credit on your 2021 tax return.
And kind of explain to people the difference between, taking that money now or opting out.
Yeah, so the new rule is you can get an advance payment and taxpayers will automatically get that. They are automatically opted in. If they want to wait and receive the entire credit when they file their 2021 tax return, they'll have to use the child tax credit portal on the IRS website. They can opt out and then choose to receive the entire payment when they file their 2021 tax return.
And obviously, the idea there is maybe to pay down what they might owe in next year's taxes, that kind of thing?
Yeah, so it is a refundable credit. So even if you have zero income or no tax liability, you will still be eligible and receive the credit. Typically, taxpayers like to wait and get a bigger refund all at once. My recommendation is always to get the payments now and then put it in an interest-bearing savings account. So if you're eligible, even if you don't need the funds right now, still receive them and then put it in a savings account for later.
Okay, and just let people know, let's say they're waking up, they go to check their account, they thought they were supposed to get that money and it's not in there. I know there's a portal, so explain that to people how that works and how they can find out maybe what's going on.
Yeah, it's a very simple portal to use. If you just Google child tax credit, the first link is the IRS website. It'll bring you directly to the portal. They plug in information from their 2020 tax return, and then it will show them their eligibility, the payments they can expect each month, which is usually $300 per child or $250 depending on age. And then it also will show payment history. So if there's any issue and you're not getting the amounts that you thought you were going to, they can update their information on that portal. They can communicate with the IRS and get some guidance and instruction on what's happening with the payments right now.